What is happening?
Look, the temperature is changing on the thermometer.
Who?
Not who, what? It's temperature. While you may think the temperature tells us the degree of hotness or coldness,
I'm an ugly girl, my face makes you hurl, sad I have it.
most scientists will assure you that temperature actually is the average kinetic energy or speed of the molecules.
Oh, right. That's what we use a thermometer for. I remember learning this in school. Aren't there 3 ways to measure temperature?
Yeah, there are Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin scales. Unfortunately, I can't remember the difference.
Well, each scale has a different freezing and boiling point for water, or temperature to measure the conditions in which states of matter change.
Yeah, someone hit the ground.
Yes, I know all the states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, and plasma, but I still don't understand the difference between the temperature scales.
Okay, let me start from the beginning. There are 3 temperature scales. Celsius and Kelvin are both based on fresh water, but Fahrenheit is completely different because it's based on salt water. The only similarity between Celsius and Fahrenheit is that they are both used for measuring day-to-day temperature for non-scientific purposes.
Andreas Celsius created the Celsius scale. Celsius is the widely accepted modern system of measuring temperature. It fits in with much of the metric system and has nice round numbers. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees. The Celsius used to be known as centigrade, but that name was changed several years ago. Here's a simple way to remember Celsius degrees, with the poem.
0's freezing, 10 is not, 20's pleasing, 30's hot.
Kelvin is an important scale used in most of science. The scale begins at 0, also known as absolute zero, and just goes up from there. Water freezes at the value 273 and boils at 373 Kelvin.
At absolute 0, all molecular motion stops, meaning everything stops, and I mean everything. Absolute 0 is theoretical, meaning that it's impossible for it to actually get that cold. Ever since absolute 0 was discovered, there have been soap operas of scientists trying to reach this temperature with limited success.
Fahrenheit is the classic English system of measuring temperatures. Now we Americans are pretty much the last ones to still use it. Fresh water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees. Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit created the scale in 1724. The scale is based on salt water, which freezes at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, making the freezing and boiling points for fresh water so irregular.
Well, okay, I think we get the scales now.
Yet still, even under the most rigorous controlled conditions of pressure, temperature, humidity, and other variables, the organism will do as it darn well pleases.
I couldn't have put it better myself, so go to ebay.com and purchase a thermometer today.